crazy setup. Y'all don't even know. You don't even know the crazy setup. How's that looking? How's that looking? Alright, we gotta get these cards out of the sun ASAP. Let's first open some packs that you should never buy, alright? If we pull anything saucy out of here, that's gonna be great. These, whenever you see these are only good if you get lucky at building a deck. Like, you might get lucky that you get the set that you want, because they'll probably all come from the same spot. Now this is looking pretty dirty already. So we're just gonna flip to see that what that first one is. Harpy Lady. Oh, okay. Well, that's kind of fun. And our rare is gonna be just a performance hat trigger. Fly to Harpies. That's from, yeah. I like these prints though. First edition? Oh, I like these prints. They gave me all 3 Harpy Ladies? This is fire. That is fire. I ain't even gonna lie. Okay, alright. Well, pretty fun. From GEIM. I feel like I should know where that's from. It sounds old. I'm gonna turn it over like that. I've never opened a Pokemon one of these. Includes 10 cards. I wonder if the good one's also in the front. No, it's not. Energy. Starly. Oh, I like how they do that. Carblast. Star U and and execute. That's hard. Okay, so I don't think we got anything. 1 out of 72. 1 out of 72. I wonder what's that from. So this was our good card, I think. Okay. All right. No foils. Look for foils, and there ain't no foils. I believe we got 3 packs in these right here. 1 factory sealed pack, 3 assorted cards. Oh, it's just exposed like that? That's absurd. Jesus Christ, I'm putting that back in real quick. Hold on. Oh my god, that's absurd. I don't want to reveal it yet. That's crazy. You know what? No, I have to, because it's outside now. I have to expose it. Okay, let's go. RJ Barrett. Panini Thread Steph Curry? Okay. Oh, the camera shifted. We just got a Damian Lillard. Let's put that back. Oopsies. Other way. Damian Lillard again? 2? Oh wait, no, it's the same one. Interesting. So just 3 random cards. And 1 NBA hoops. That's crazy. Alright, well, wish me the best of luck, guys. There he is. Wood. Tyler. Man, it's hard to read this in this reflection. Oh, purple. Miles Turner purple. Okay, let's go. Jared Butler. Rookie Chris Duarte? Zaire Williams? Okay, I'll take that. And that'll do it. I just leave these stat before any damage happens outside. The car was kind of dirty. It's kind of weird. We're gonna sleeve up the rooks. Beautiful, beautiful day. 3 rookie cards? Is that normal? It's getting pretty toasty out here. It's getting pretty toasty out here. That card is thick. I was about to say, I'm a rookie at this shit. I know there's 2, but still. There we go. Alright. Last but not least. Ooh. We'll take that. Let's go, Pokemon. Wish us some luck, baby. Sandile, C-Dot. Dedeen? That's crazy. Alcremie. Careless. Not bad. Hey. Hey, I mean, we'll take it. Because we have to. Alright, baby, last pack, guys. Appreciate anyone that's watched. We're about to pull some heat to end it. Let's end it with some flames, baby. Ooh, this card's dirty as shit. Sandile again. Would they'll miss? Ooh, with the Steelix. Okay, we'll take the basic. I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it. Let's go. Ooh. Telescopic sight too. Let's go. The cards felt dusty at first. I ain't gonna lie, but I'll take this. Let's go, baby. We'll take that. We'll take that all day. I hate how Pokemon cards feel. They feel so weird. Crazy. Alright, y'all. That's gonna pretty much do it. That's gonna wrap her up. I think that was a pretty fun break. Let's see. We want to keep these guys sealed, but we just seen that. Our hit was that. Steph Curry. Rookies. The purple. Miles Turner. Flamery. Yep, with the heartbeats. With them heartbeats back there. Not bad. Alright, good looking. Thank you.